This is the peak acceleration torque interactive calculator, which determines the torque required to accelerate a rotating system to your target speed. Let's walk through the 3 input fields. First, we have total inertia, labeled as Jtotal, where you enter your system's rotational inertia in kilogram meters squared. Next is target speed, where you input your desired final rotational speed in RPM. Finally, there's acceleration time, which is how long you want the acceleration to take in seconds. For this demonstration, I'll use a total inertia of 0.1, a target speed of 1800 RPM, and an acceleration time of 0.5 seconds. After clicking Calculate Peak Torque, we get 2 key results. First, the angular acceleration, shown as alpha, equals 376.99 radians per second squared. This tells us how quickly the rotational speed is changing. Second, and most importantly, the peak acceleration torque equals 37.70 Newton meters. This is the actual torque your motor or actuator must provide to achieve your desired acceleration profile. These values help you properly size your motor for dynamic applications. Find the link in the description below.